Getting your money out of PayPal and onto your Visa card shouldn't feel like a waiting game. But most people mess this up by picking the wrong transfer method or getting hit with fees they didn't expect. I'm going to show you exactly how to move your balance to your Visa card in under 2 minutes. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share a specific trick to help you avoid those annoying pending delays that keep your cash locked up for days. The reason this process feels more complicated than it needs to be is that PayPal and banks speak different digital languages. When you hit that transfer button, PayPal has to verify that your card is actually yours and that the bank on the other end is ready to catch the funds. It's like sending a package through two different post offices. If you don't have things synced up perfectly before you click send, your money just sits in a digital limbo while the two systems try to shake hands. That is why your transfer sometimes takes 3 days when it should only take 3 minutes. To get started, log into your PayPal account and look right at your main dashboard. You need to find your PayPal balance and click on the button that says Transfer Money. Once you click that, PayPal gives you two very different paths to take. The first is an instant transfer, which usually lands in your bank account within minutes, but they will charge you a small percentage fee for the speed. The second option is the standard transfer, which is totally free but takes 1 to 3 business days. If you aren't in a rush, save your money and go with the free version. Now, under the section that says Transfer To, you need to select your Visa card. If you don't see your card listed there yet, don't worry. You can click the option to link a new card and just type in your Visa details like the card number and expiration date. After that is confirmed, go back to the transfer screen and type in the exact amount of money you want to move. If you want to move $100, type that in and hit the Transfer Now button. You will get a confirmation message immediately telling you exactly when that money should show up on your Visa statement. To make sure your transfers always go through instantly without getting flagged for security reviews, make sure your Visa card is confirmed in your PayPal wallet settings before you try to move large amounts. PayPal likes to see that you've verified the card through their small deposit test, which proves you are the actual owner and speeds up their internal approval process. Now that your money is moving, you should check out my guide on how to link multiple bank accounts to PayPal so you always have a backup plan if one card expires.